everyone, thank you for tuning into today's video. Since summer is right around the corner, I figured I would film my at-home ab workout for you all. Working out is just a way for me to kind of escape my day-to-day. It helps me clear my mind, stay focused, and feel refreshed. And since we are all stuck in the house, I figured this would be the perfect time to film my workout routine for you guys. Before I get started with my workout, I want to share with you guys these awesome pieces that I received from Octoly and Thrive Society. So first, I have this super cute sports bra in the color Haze. I love this strung sports bra because it is super comfortable. I love the color and the detailing is super cute. The next piece I was gifted were the ribbing 7/8 leggings. I love that these are true high-waisted leggings. The fabric was super comfortable and breathable. I felt cool and dry the entire workout, and the pocket detail is a really nice touch to these leggings. I was also gifted the strung 3/4 sleeve top. This top will be perfect going to and from the gym. Like the other pieces, this top was super comfortable as well. The fabric was really breathable and I just loved it. All these pieces would make a great addition to your gym collection, so thank you again to Thrive Society and Octoly for gifting me these pieces. Make sure you go check them out. I will link everything below. Alright, now to the fun stuff. Time to get our workout on. First, we want to make sure you stretch. It is so important to stretch before every time you exercise. I can't stress that enough. You're basically just using this time to become one with yourself. You are stretching and warming up your muscles for your activity that you're getting ready to do, and in our case, we're about to get our abs snatched. I basically use my stretching time as a time to reflect, as a time to focus my mind and energy, and just get ready for my workout. Alright, so for the first move that I love to do, I am going to be doing your regular crunches, but I'm going to have my legs above my head and I'm just reaching towards my toes. This is a great exercise to stimulate the upper ab muscles and really get them working and tone up. I do this move for 10 times. So I'm basically reaching up to touch my toes 10 times. So we worked out our upper abs, now we're going to get our lower abs working. This move is perfect for engaging your lower core muscles. I'm basically taking my feet and I am just lifting them up and down, but I'm not having them touch the ground. I'm leaving about 3 inches between the ground and where my feet are stopping at. I'm doing this 10 times, and on the 10th time, I'm going to just hold my legs out in front of me without touching the floor for about 30 seconds. This really engages those lower core muscles and just kind of helps to pull them all tight. For my next move, I'm going to be working out my sides. So I'm basically just going to be doing 10 side crunches, 10 on each side. So first I'm going to start on my left and then I'm going to switch over to my right. I love this move because it really helps to tone up the sides. It just brings everything together, and if you're thinking about snatched, we want to keep our sides snatched and toned, and this is the perfect move for that. So for my next move, this move has to be one of the hardest moves to do for your core, and that is the plank. I think this move is the hardest just because it's really stimulating and engaging all of your muscles and it's sucking everything in tight. I do this move for a minute straight, which can be really difficult for beginners, so if you are a beginner, please do not stress yourself out, it'll come. So for my next move, this move is equally as hard and it is the twisting plank. So I'm going to be doing this move 20 times, 10 for each side, and basically you're just twisting your body from left to right without touching the floor. This is also stimulating all your core muscles and it's really working those sides. I really want to stress, just do what you can, don't overexert yourself, and really just listen to your body throughout your entire workout. Now for my final move, I learned this move from another YouTuber by the name of Vicky Justice. She has a ton of great workout videos on her site, so I definitely suggest checking out her page. I'll definitely leave a link to her YouTube channel below for you to check her out, but basically what this move is a breathing technique. You're taking a deep breath in and then you are exhaling all that air out, but you're keeping your tummy tight. Think of it as your belly button is touching your spine. You're holding this pose for as long as you can, and it really helps to stimulate your core muscles, and it creates a tinier waist. This is all in Vicky's video, so I'll make sure I leave it linked below as well. I really like this move because it just helps me to stay focused and finish off my exercise strong. So each of these moves I do a total of 3 times, sometimes 4 if I really want a good workout in. So I'm just going to be repeating these moves in a circuit. I do all the moves and then I do them all again with 30-second breaks in between each circuit. So thank you so much for joining me for my workout today. I really appreciate you guys for checking out this video. Make sure to leave me a comment below, thumbs up this video for more videos like this, and until my next one, bye guys.